Welcome this video. Video title is Budget Patio Makeover. Transforming your outdoor space on a dime. Introducing your outdoor space no matter how smart can be a have for relaxation and entertainment. A patio often neglected have the potential to become an extension of your home, provide a choosy retreat for family gathering, BBQ, or just some quick time in the fresh air. The good news is that you do not need a have budget to going your patio or stream markover. We explored, create and affectable idea to revamp your outdoor area without break the bank. Assessment and plans before drawing into your patio mark over project talk some time to accept the current state of your outdoor space, hiding what need improvement and agility. Areas of your revamped patio consider functional, like the patio functional, static, and your living style. This instant plans step will help provide task and eliminate your budget effect. Furniture project patio furniture can be expensive, but with a bed to create a effect, you can tap your often price at the function of the cost word below. For example, can be purpose into style, outdoor salt and coffee table. Look affordable outdoor carved or mark your honor with weather resistant by in your functional you can not only save money but also add a personal touch of your patio lighting embracing. Create a warm and invite atmosphere on your patio with budget friendly light, solve stream light are an affectable and versatile other provide soft illuminate soft power light are effect and come to various style from light and lecture state going placement and compose to solve the powered lamp can also possibility to be a choosy embracing without stream your budget. Functional storage maximum your patio space by incorporating functionally space solve look for budget friendly outdoor story box or embracing where you can solve along gardening tool or outdoor game. Conclusion a budget friendly patio makeover is not only accessibility but also be a resume and create effectable by incorporating deep project throwing fine and a touch of immigration